Welcome! Here are a couple of new features available in Yothon 2.5. Because the Python scripts in your project are in plain text, a malicious user could modify them. Since version 2.5, Yothon can check the hash sum of every executed script. Here is how. Let's create a very simple Python script. Put it in the content folder of our project. Name it myscript.py. This script would do nothing but wait a few seconds and print a debug information in the log file. This will be useful for the second part of this video. After the first 10 seconds sleep, add another one. At this point, don't focus on what the script does. Our goal is to have a whatever script that will be verified against modification. Our script is now complete, and we want to compute its hash sum. That value will then be used by Yothon to check if the script has been altered. Let's find the project content folder where our script is. Using Python, let's compute the checksum using algorithm Blake2b. You can use a single command, as you see at the bottom of the screen. Now, after a quick check that the Python interpreter is up and running, open the level blueprint and start working on our security. It will be very simple, just a couple of nodes. Search for Set Security Info node. First of all, you have to set the security level. 0 means the no check is performed whatsoever. This can be useful when you are debugging your own Python code, and changes in the scripts are frequent. Level 1 means that the script is only checked once at its first execution. This is the choice that maximizes the check's performances. Finally, level 2 means the every script is checked on every execution. Maximum security, best when scripts are tiny or performances are not an issue. Add our tmap value, the name of the script, without path, and its hash value from the previous Python command. Now, when Z key is pressed, we want to execute our script as a thread. This will keep the game free to run while the script is executed. You can read from the log file that security info have been set. Now press Z and run the script. You can see that, because the checksum is consistent, myscript.py is executed. Now let's see what happens when the script is changed. Add a single line, just a comment. Save it and try to run the same script again. Yothon doesn't execute the script because the checksum has failed. You can trace this within the log file. Now restore the original file. It will be run again as expected. Let's talk about the other feature introduced in Yothon 2.5, the Interrupt node. This has been requested by many users, and here it is. Suppose that you want interrupt a long-running threaded script for some reason. Using the Interrupt node, you can simulate a Control-C keyboard shortcut that will stop the script execution. The interruption signal is executed between normal scheduled interpreter operations, that is, when a current Python instruction is completed and before executing next. That means that a single statement in your script cannot be aborted. You have to wait for the interpreter to be ready to go to next command. Run our script, but this time, pressing X, we want to stop it while in the 5 seconds sleep command. The sleep command itself can't be aborted, but as soon as the interpreter is ready to execute next command, the Control-C will interrupt the script flowing. You can see that the log file reports a break in line 8. That is, the statement being executed when Z has been pressed. Hope this tutorial will help you to get the most out of Yothon. If you want, join our Discord server, where you can have any possible help or simply check for news about Yothon. Thanks for watching.